Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Docker is a platform for developing, shipping, and running applications in containers. NVIDIA CUDA is a parallel computing platform and programming model that allows developers to use NVIDIA GPUs for general-purpose processing. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating a Docker image with CUDA support for Python applications. Select a base image that includes the necessary CUDA libraries and tools. NVIDIA provides official CUDA images on Docker Hub. For this tutorial, we'll use the NVIDIA/CUDA base image with the desired CUDA version. Install Python and any additional dependencies required for your application. Install the CUDA Toolkit in the Docker image. Ensure that the version matches the one supported by your GPU. Set environment variables required for CUDA and NVIDIA runtime. Install the NVIDIA Container Toolkit to enable GPU support within the Docker container. Copy your Python application files into the Docker image. Install any required Python packages for your application using pip. Build the Docker image using the provided Docker file. Run the Docker container with GPU support. Replace CPUs all with CPUs device equals 0 if you have multiple GPUs, and you want to use a specific one. Congratulations! You've created a Docker image with CUDA support for Python applications. This image can be used to package and deploy your GPU-accelerated Python code across different environments seamlessly. ChatGPT